Hey there, stuck with a Temu wish list that's not working? No worries. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to fix Temu wish list not working. Whether it's an app glitch or a connectivity issue, we've got you covered with straightforward solutions that will make your wish list shine once again. So let's dive in and get that Temu wish list up and running smooth. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection often causes app features to malfunction. Make sure your device is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or has a stable data connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to the router or resetting your router by unplugging it for a few seconds. If you're on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi and see if that resolves the issue. Sometimes simply toggling airplane mode on and off can help reconnect your device to a stable network. Step 2. Update the Temu app. Always ensure you're using the latest version of the Temu app. Developers frequently release updates to fix known bugs and improve functionality. Go to your device's app store, search for Temu, and check if there are any updates available. If an update is available, download and install it. Once updated, restart the app and check if your wish list is functioning as expected. Step 3. Clear app cache and data. Clearing the app's cache and data can resolve many common issues, including problems with the wish list. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, Temu, Storage, then tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. For iOS users, you might need to uninstall the app and reinstall it, as iOS doesn't allow clearing cache in the same way. After clearing the cache or reinstalling, log in again and verify if the wish list issue persists. Step 4. Relog into your Temu account. Sometimes your account session might become invalid without any visible prompts. Logging out and then back in can refresh your session. Open the Temu app, navigate to the account settings, and select Log Out. Wait a few moments, then log back in using your credentials. This can resolve issues that are tied to account authentication. Step 5. Contact Temu support. If none of the previous steps have resolved the issue, it may be time to contact Temu customer support. Open the Temu app, go to the Help or Support section, and explain the issue in detail. Be sure to include any error messages you've received and mention that you've already tried the basic troubleshooting steps. Temu's support team can assist with more advanced issues or escalate the problem to the developers if necessary. And there you have it. Everything you need to know to fix Temu wishlist not working. Whether it's updating the app, checking your internet connection, or reaching out to customer support, these steps will help get your wishlist back on track. Remember to keep your app updated and regularly check your internet connection for a seamless shopping experience. By following this guide, you can enjoy hassle-free wish listing on Temu once more. Happy shopping!